My goal for 2026 is to grow a long and thick natural hair. Not just long and thick natural, but a healthy natural hair. So if you know you are not ready to grow your hair, if you're just passing by, if you know you're not going to be consistent, if you know you don't have the love to grow a long and thick natural hair, then this video is not for you. Because on this channel, I'll be doing more videos on how to grow long and thick natural hair. Because this is my goal for 2026, and for that reason, I am going to go with that. Hello, welcome to Ahima. So if this is the first time passing by, thank you so much for passing by. In this video, I'm going to share with you two powerful ingredients to grow long and thick natural hair, and that is papaya and then rosemary. I know a lot of you have heard about papaya and rosemary, but maybe you haven't tasted the potency of this ingredient together. Combining rosemary and papaya leaf together forms a great potent hairspray to grow a long and thick natural hair. So in this video, we're going to prepare papaya and rosemary juice for the hair. First of all, I'm going to cut this papaya into smaller parts and then put it in my pan on the fire. Papaya leaves is rich in vitamins A, C, and folate, which improves scalp circulations. Papaya leaves promote hair growth. It strengthens the hair and it reduces scalp buildup. This is because of the enzymes in the leaves. Now I'll go ahead and measure 30 ml of rosemary, dry rosemary leaves on the papaya leaves. Now I'll cover this for about 5 minutes and stir it a little bit. Keep the heat very low. So on low heat, you're going to cook these two ingredients together. Rosemary contains antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that help reduce dandruff and it suits itching scalp. Rosemary stimulates growth by improving the blood circulation to the scalp. It helps in reducing hair fall and increase hair thickness and density. So as I stated before, if you don't want to grow a long and thick natural hair, if you don't want to grow a healthy long and thick natural hair, then this video is not for you. This video is only for those who are ready to grow a healthy, long and thick natural hair. So combining papaya and the rosemary together to make a hairspray is a very powerful spray that is going to change your hair growth story. You can use this juice once in every week, continuously for 1 month, to see how this juice is going to increase your hair length, is going to make your hair very thick, it is going to strengthen your scalp, it is going to give your hair shine, it is going to prevent your hair from dandruff, and it is going to stop itching scalp. So after 15 minutes of boiling the ingredient together, I'll take it off and then allow it to cool down. After cooling down, I'll now strain it into my spray bottle and then start with the application. Now spread this juice on your hair very well. Spread this juice on the scalp and on the tip of the hair. Make sure every part of the hair is receiving this treatment. So if you haven't tried using papaya and then rosemary juice before, then you can go ahead and try this. You can observe the improvements in a month. If you have tried it before, you can also share how this juice worked for you. If you had any problem when using this juice, you can also come and share it on the comment section. But this juice does not give you any problem. It doesn't itch, it doesn't irritate. You just have to spray this juice on your scalp and every part of the hair. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and be expecting more videos on how to grow long and take natural hair, because this is my goal for 2026. So I am going to do well to post more videos on how I am taking this hair growth journey. So if you also want to start growing your natural hair, then this is the time for you to follow my videos so that you can also grow your natural hair. After spraying this juice on your hair, massage your scalp very well. Massage the scalp. Make sure that every part of the hair has received the treatment. The tip of the hair is very, very important because they are prone to atmospheric dangers. So anytime you are applying something to the hair, make sure that you put some on the tip of the hair. They are also important. So you can actually do this as a leave-in, or you can do this whenever you want to wash your hair. So with this particular one, I'm putting this in because after I'm going to wash this off and then apply my moisturizer or my oil. So after spraying and massaging my scalp very, very well, massage the scalp very, very well to help the blood to circulate on your scalp, so it can help to strengthen and grow your hair very fast. After massaging, I'll go ahead and cover my hair very well, and then I'll keep this on for about 30 minutes. I actually kept it on for more than 30 minutes because I wasn't ready to go and wash the hair, so I have to keep it on a bit longer than the 30 minutes. So you can keep it on for 30 to 40 minutes or any time. Keep it on, and then after you can wash it, or if you are doing a leave-in, then after you go ahead and then apply your moisturizer or your oil to the hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Until then, I'm going to see you. Bye and take care.